today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Airbnb. If you've been wondering whether Klarna works on Airbnb, this video is perfect for you. We'll take a step-by-step journey through the process, ensuring that you feel confident using Klarna for your travel bookings. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, head over to the official Airbnb website. If you prefer using an app, that's perfectly fine too. But for this demonstration, we'll be walking through it on the website. Once there, you're going to need to search for a destination. Let's use London as an example. In the search bar, simply type in London and don't forget to enter your travel dates and the number of guests. After that's all set, go ahead and click the search button. You'll then be greeted with an enticing list of available stays in London. Now it's time to choose a place. You can pick any listing you'd like, even one that catches your eye at random. For our demo purposes, I'll just select one randomly. Once you're comfortable with your choice and have clicked on a listing, you'll find yourself on the property page where you can learn more about your potential temporary home. It's here that you'll want to click on Reserve to move on to the next step. This will take you to the checkout page where the magic really happens. Here's where you need to pay close attention. Scroll down to the payment section. If you're eligible, you should see the option to Pay Over Time with Klarna. It's a straightforward process from there. You just need to select Klarna as your payment method. Now remember, if you haven't already logged into your Airbnb account, you'll need to do so because Airbnb will prompt you to log in before proceeding. One key thing to keep in mind is that Klarna approval is subject to your account and its eligibility criteria. If you're accepted, Klarna lets you spread those Airbnb payments over time, making it easier on your budget. Once you've selected Klarna and confirmed your payment choice, just continue through the checkout process and you'll be all set to pack your bags. And that's it. That's exactly how you can use Klarna to pay for your Airbnb booking. It's designed to make travel a little more financially manageable and straightforward. If this video helped you, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple, effective tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.